Well, good morning, viewers. Today we are working on my 2006 Nissan Frontier. Today we are doing a pretty simple project. All we're doing is replacing the bulb for the third brake light. It has burnt out. Just going to put a new bulb in there. It's a very simple process. However, if you've never done it before, maybe you don't know how. So if you're interested and you want to stick around, that's what we're going to do. On this truck, I also have a video with a differential breather mod so your axle seals don't blow out. I have transmission fluid change video if you want to check that out. And there might be more, I don't remember, but anywho, check out my other videos. So for this, all you're going to need to do is come in the cab. Inside the cab, in the back, you're gonna have one cover, two cover. You're gonna pop those off with a screwdriver or your fingers if you can. Inside there, you're going to have, wow, I don't think you can see, but yeah, there is a bolt up there with a nut on it. You're gonna need a deep 5/16 inch driver of some sorts. You're gonna unscrew that one, and then you'll jump in the bed. Even though you're not supposed to jump on the bed, that's what we're going to do. So stay tuned. All right, so you're just going to get your 5/16, stick it up there, and start the long process of unscrewing this bolt. There's like a bazillion threads for that little nut, so it'll take a minute. And if your fingers are like mine, you can't, it's kind of hard to reach up in there. And if you do, you might lose your nut like I just did. So then you're going to do the other side as well. Pop that off and just unscrew it. Just pull it up. Pull it up. You can drop that down. Yeah, so if yours is stuck on like mine, this is a 2006 with 200 a lot of miles. Just grab it, you're going to turn it, counterclockwise, and you're going to just pull it out. As you can see, it definitely burnt. You're just going to grab the bulb, pull it out, put it aside. I'm going to grab your new bulbs. I am using 921 Long Life Sylvania. Grab your new bulb, shove it back in the housing. Now at this point you can either test it to make sure it works, or you can trust that because the other one definitely looked like it was simply burnt out, you're good. If you have a different electrical issue, you may want to check it out. So you can use your needle nose pliers if you're not feeling Superman. Turn it clockwise, put it back in place just like so. We're going to grab our magnet and see if I can fish those nuts out that I lost. Now, if you lost your nuts like I did, just a little magnet does wonders. After that, all that's left to do is put this back in place. Flip her back around. Make sure you get them in the hole. There's one, there's two. Go back inside. Put the nuts back on and you're done. Anyway, it's as simple as that. If you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. There's a little tiny button down there. It's a little bit small, but I bet you could do it if you tried hard. Yeah, I'll keep posting videos if you guys keep watching them. Until the next time, peace out.